a new YouTube video. I'm so sorry that I have not been posting in a while. I was getting my setup ready, and I would just keep studying and doing homework and just getting caught up on school and stuff, and yeah. So I recently ordered a slime for $21 plus shipping. So altogether it's $21. I don't know how exactly the slime was. I think it was around like, no, 17, 15. But yeah, just from the package, it's like alright. I don't know if this is $21 worth it. But there's like dry up slime. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys this. You're gonna see it first. Oh, okay. Interesting. I mean, it's not bad. It's very sticky. Okay. There was slime all over the package when I was unloading this, unboxing this, because like I don't want you guys to know where I live, because we know who's on the internet. Yeah. Okay. I already found mistakes. I ordered purple, not this aqua teal color, but it's okay. I was expecting this less sticky. Ugh. Okay. Too sticky. Way too sticky. Color. Not the color I asked for, but still gonna take it. Quality, stretchy, but sticky. Yeah. I don't know. It's like way too sticky. But that's it. Alright, because I can fix it. A little bit stretchy. I was about to say it's so stretchy, but then it ripped. Honestly, I don't think this is good slime. I mean, you guys, let's see what you guys think. I don't know, what do you guys think? Ow! Oh my lord. Ah! Way too sticky! Amazon need to get their game out. Ah! Oh well. I think I'm going to end it here because I don't want to bore you guys to death. I mean, just playing with sticky slime. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.